Let's make a panda bookmark. You will need scissors and glue and the template of the panda bookmark. Ready? Let's go! Fold the page in half, like I'm showing here. Then, using your scissors, cut the bottom half of the paper off. Remember to be careful when using your scissors because they are sharp and you can cut yourself. Now cut out each of these individual items. Once you have finished cutting these items out, place them to the side, and then we're going to go back to the square page that you folded in half. Take the right corner and fold it to the top corner. Do the same with the left corner. Then make sure that the folds are folded well. Now open up the fold so the paper looks like a triangle and take the top corner and fold it to the bottom, but only the one side. Then take the right corner and tuck it in between the front half and the back half of the paper. Then do the same with the other side. And there you have your basic bookmark. Now all we need to add are the panda eyes and the panda ears. For this, you're going to turn the bookmark around, grab your glue, and now we're going to stick on those items. Let's start with the ears, and you have to apply glue to the bottom half, so not the full ear, because half of the ear is going to stick off the paper. Then add your eyes and make sure you add them in the right direction. The dot needs to be pointing up towards the ear. Your Panda bookmark looks so cute. Now you can use it to keep track of the progress in your ebook.